I think I have been chasing you for last 2 years. Am I
that
right?
I remember.
And I really believe in you. I have a lot of admiration for you, for your concepts, everything, and I really want you to become very famous someday. I've benefited a lot because originally I only do my cooking at home. So I know, I mean, I have a fairly good idea about healthy cooking, etc. And I've incorporated most of your principles in my daily cooking. And I've even sent your book to my sister. I've gifted your book, that first book, to many of my friends, close people.
And do you think the class covered most?
Yes, most of it, and I think I was just telling Anand that we should. When are we going to have the next one? We should plan the next time also.
Good, and I hope you're going to apply a lot.
I told you, that I saw the difference. My husband had come 2 years ago, and he did this counseling, and in 1 month he lost 4 kgs without dieting. Amazing, means he was also stunned, but then he has his own business pressures, etc. I'm going to start again now with these, whatever I have learned now, I'm going to rejuvenate him and maybe come for a follow-up session with you. Thanks. I want to see you on the big Vogue or something like that on the front page of a daily. I'll be very happy. yeah. And I think you look amazing. Really nice knowing a person like you. I mean, I'm very blessed that I meet some nice individuals.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
I'm so glad that finally you did find the time for the cooking class. I know you were so busy with all your lunches and your tiffins and stuff like that, but I'm so glad that, and it's just been an amazing experience. Got a lot of insight into all the different ways and of doing things and maybe managing it, and doesn't seem so difficult. And I'm sure if we want to, we'll definitely, if you want to do it, you'll definitely be able to, gain from whatever you have told us in the last 2 days, and it's just been so amazing. And I've really enjoyed the class, and I felt the day just passed by, and it never seemed that we were doing something from 11 to 5, the day just went by so fast. So we really had a very, very good experience.
Great.
Thanks, Shonali.
Thanks.
Yeah, and we owe it to you. All our good health, we owe it to you.
Okay, honestly, I love cooking. I came here because of Anand at first, because he's always talked about you, and obviously we've seen results on him, because of which I came here. But then after I came here, it was like a great eye-opener, and it confirmed a lot of things, that I thought I was doing wrong and in my health and everything. And I think from yesterday, I already feel like I can see my life's gonna change, because I got so much knowledge from you, and I think you have immense knowledge, and I think you look great, and I think you really inspire me, like, a lot. So yeah, there's a lot of inspiration, there's a lot of motivation, there's a lot of new things I learned, there's a lot of new cooking techniques I learned, and there's a lot of organic living that I learned from you. So yeah, it was amazing.
See, there are things which you can control and there are things which you cannot control. And after meeting you, I've realized food is something which I can control, and in an amazing, beautiful way. For me now, it has my lifestyle. It's like somebody has put me out of, like, I've gone back to a tub, and I'm restarting my life all over again with a new lifestyle, with new food. It's like remember that old joke I used to play along, right? Like, it's like getting reborn all over again. So right now it's been a year, and I feel very light. I think all that, like, now I sleep like a baby. There's no stress anymore, because there are things which I've learned how to control, and it started from food. All right. So yeah, it's been of great help, and you have been an amazing inspiration for me. Like, you're my guru, my mentor. So I'm running up to you whenever, if I am like in Ladakh or if I'm in like anywhere, I'm making that STD call to you. Yeah.